Good day, ma'am. This is my topic for this day. It's all about museum. Topic outline is introduction, definition and historical development of museum, and third is the importance of museum. Introduction to the museum. Henry, children need museum and museum need children. It means that museum is important to us, labi na kay we are students to need na to makabalo about the past or the historical mga sa una nga mga things sa about sa past. Then giyon the quoting Hazel Hertzberg, Ahern added that the historical imagination which the story of history should cultivate develop not just through reading or hearing statements about the past, but through acquiring for oneself a sense of the concrete circumstances of life, its sounds, sights, smells, tastes, textures, and students need to use all their senses in gaining an understanding and feeling for the past. So, about the develop not just through reading or hearing statements. So, museum gid with daghan yung tag mga knowledge ani nga makuha para mga balota about the past sa mga historic nga mga things and also student need to use to understand the historical all about. Sunod is the definition and historical development of museum. So, museum is defined as the status of the International Council of Museum, or ICOM, or ICOM, is a non-profit permanent institution in the service of society and its development. Gi-define sa status of the International Council of Museum, or ICOM, is a non-profit as a permanent institution that everyone will visit to the museum to gain a knowledge or to understand, to have an idea para pwede sila makadto sa museum. Sunod is museum refers to the building in which objects of historical, scientific, artistic, or cultural interest are stored and exhibited. So si museum daw is isa na siya ka buildings nga all of the mga historical things or mga paintings mga about sa past dra na siya gipang butang giisa ra na siya para each of us if mo visit ta dito sa museum, we have makagain ta og knowledge or to understand about the cultural or the historical past. Museum is a Latin word derived from the Greek word museum, which means place for the muses or for study. So muna siya in the Latin word is all about to study about the historical past, which in Roman times were restricted to places for philosophical discussion and a place of contemplation where all the fields of human knowledge were attempted to be put together into one place, with its library, its most famous feature complemented with a collection of artifacts. So moto ang gingon all of the tong about sa past nga mga gamit mga things nga ilang nakuha i-put together nila into one place to para mas makabisit lang mga students, mga researchers, mga sila labi na sa ato nga as of now sa atong subject karon nga RPH. So mas nindot yun nga makadto ta sa museum to study about the past. So museum did not emerge at all in societies where the scientific study of the material world was not valued. Museum only developed in the form in which they are currently known them at the beginning of the age of enlightenment Enlightenment in Europe when amateur scientists began to collect the material evidence of what was still widely assumed to be God's creation. So mo ni siya nag-develop yun ang form sa museum in which the scientists began to collect the materials of material evidence about sa God's creation. The Ashmolean Museum in Oxford is the world's first university art museum. Its first building, it was built in 1678 and opened on May 24, 1683. It was built to house the Cabinet of Curiosities. Elias Ashmole gave the Oxford University in 1677 to us. So the Ashmolean Museum in Oxford is the world's first university art and museum. So muna siya ang pinakadako or pinakauna museum in the Oxford. Sunod is the Louvre Museum in Paris, France, the largest art museum in the world, an area of 782,910 square feet, was established in 1793. Then muna ni siya. Sunod is the importance of museum. So museum are rich dispositories of culture, since learning should not only be confined inside the classroom. Teachers therefore should integrate museum objects with classroom teaching as an interdisciplinary approach to education. So since that we don't have a museum out there, so mas kuha na lang yun, no? Kasagaran na to mahibala na to ang about sa mga past is through books lang, so mas nindot yun if kanang ato kita sa museum, no? Para mas dagan yun atong ma-learn or masabta na to about sa past, about sa things. So history museum teach us to learn from our mistakes, to have a glimpse of the old life, to learn about the past, and to know our cultural heritage. There are things in museum which the school cannot provide their students. Museum visitor can experience a global learning. So there are things of the school that wala sa eskwelahan. So if kanang gusto ta maka-learn about the past or to understand, mas nice good nga madto ta sa museum to, and also sa maka-experience ta na about sa global learning, kay mas dagan kag ma-learn if madto ta sa museum. Kay syempre dara na natapok ang tanan mga things about the past. Next is the museum helps people understand the world by using objects and ideas to interpret the past and present and explore the future. It preserves and research collection and makes object and information accessible in actual and virtual environments. So museum, museums helps people to understand about the past or to learn, to gain knowledge, if unsa ang kuan nato about the past, people learn things in museum they could never learn from school or by just going about their normal lives. Museums are like the tangible internet, an eye-opening immersive global learning experience. So moto ang people learn sa museum kay if sa school kasagaran to makita sa books lang sa internet pero mas nindot yun if dito madto gid sa museum para mas makita mahawira na to ang mga objects about the past, about things, mga paintings nagagana sa museum. Next is the museum help promote and preserve our cultural heritage. They are storehouse of old artifacts, sculptures, art objects, and history and heritage. Museum teach critical thinking, empathy, and other generally important skills and disposition. A visit to museum would increase their cultural knowledge of students. So if we go to the museum, mas mutaas atong knowledge about the cultural kay dito lagi sa museum, all of the artifacts kanang mga things about the past dito siya nabutang. So if you have kanang mag-conduct of research about sa past, pwede tamad to sa museum and mas dali pa nato siya masabtan. So a museum are institution that care for a collection of artifacts and other objects of artistic, cultural, historical, or scientific importance. So si museum no isa na siya ka institution nga dara ibutang tanan ang mga artifacts or mga collection about the past things, mga paintings sa historical, scientific importance. So dara na siya nakabutang because muna siyang ibalik store na siya sa about sa mga butang about sa past. Thank you for listening. Don't hesitate to ask any question.